Hello guys, in this video we will discuss about the shortest distance between the skew lines. What is mean by skew lines? Skew lines. Skew lines means lines which are neither perpendicular nor parallel. Those lines we call it as the skew lines. Okay, neither perpendicular nor parallel. So these are the skew lines. Equation of this line is r bar is equals to a1 plus lambda times of b1 bar. Okay, a1 is the point, b1 is the dr. Okay, next shortest distance between them is, this is the shortest distance between them, shortest distance d. Okay, r bar is equals to a2 bar plus mu times of b2 bar. Here a2 is the 1 point, b2 is the dr's. Okay, distance between them is d is equals to b1 cross b2 dot product of a2 minus a1 by b1 cross b2 magnitude. So this is the shortest distance between the two lines. This is the shortest distance between the two lines. Let's solve few problems on this concept. Here we have a question, find the shortest distance between the two lines. Okay, now compare this first line with r bar is equals to a1 plus lambda times of b1, and second line with r bar is equals to a2 plus lambda times of b2. Now here a1 given, a1 is equals to what we have, I plus 2j plus k. b1 bar is I minus j plus k. a2 bar is equals to 2i minus j minus k. b2 bar is equals to 2i plus j plus 2k. Now shortest distance between them, is b1 cross b2 dot product of a2 minus a1 by b1 cross b2 modulus magnitude. Okay, now first we will find a2 minus a1. Okay, this is the formula, shortest distance between them. Here first find a2 minus a1 is equals to a2 minus a1 is a2 minus a1. 2 minus 1 is 2i. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 1 plus minus 2 k bar. So this is a2 minus a1 is equals to I plus j minus 3j. Sorry, this is minus 3j minus 3j bar. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 minus 2k bar, 2k cap. Okay, a2 minus a1 is equals to this vector. Next is b1 cross b2 we need to find. b1 cross b2, use the det method, I j k. Here I coefficients are b1 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 1. Next b2 is 2 1 2. So use the det method, plus minus plus. Consider I, delete the corresponding row and column, then remaining elements do AD minus BC formula. Okay, minus 1 1 1 2 minus j bar, delete the corresponding row and column, remaining is 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 plus k cap into mod of, this is, delete the corresponding row and column, 1 minus 1 2 1 AD minus BC, AD minus BC. AD is minus 2 minus BC is minus 1 minus j bar, j cap AD minus, AD is 2 minus BC is 2, k cap is 1 minus into minus plus 2. So this is minus 3i and this is 0 plus 3 k bar. Take 3 common, minus I plus k bar. So here this is b1 cross b2, right? Magnitude b1 cross b2 magnitude is equals to 3 into root over 1 square plus 1 square is 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2, 3 root 2. We got it, b1 cross b2, this is a2 minus a1, we can substitute now here. Shortest distance between them is b1 cross b2 is minus 3i plus 3k dot product of a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1 vector is I minus 3j minus 2k by magnitude is b1 cross b2 magnitude is 3 times of root 2. Okay, 3 times of root 2. Here shortest distance between them is, multiply I coefficients, j coefficient, k coefficients, minus 3 into 1 minus 3, and here j coefficient is 0 into something will become 0, that's 0, 3 into minus 2, 3 2 is 6, minus 6 by 3 root 2. Here the final answer comes out to be positive because of the modulus. 3 minus 6 is minus 9 by 3 root 2. So this is 3 3 is 9. 3 root 2 be the solution. Shortest distance is 3 by root 2 units. That's all. This is the solution. Find the shortest distance between the lines. Okay, here given line, given lines, r bar is equals to 1 minus t into I cap plus t minus 2 into j cap plus 3 minus 2t into k cap. Now here just multiply I cap inside of the bracket, I minus t I cap plus t into j cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 into k cap minus 2t k cap. R bar is equals to first I bar minus 2j bar, here this is minus 2j bar plus 3k bar plus 3k bar. Next take common t, okay, take common t and write it remaining terms, minus I here plus j, next minus 2k. So this is in the form of R bar is equals to a1 bar plus t into b1 bar. From here we can write it as a1 is equals to I minus 2j plus 3k. Okay, next b1 is equals to minus I plus j minus 2k, minus 2k. We have a1 b1. Next question, next line is given r is equals to s plus 1 into I plus 2 times of s minus 1 into j minus 2s plus 1 into k bar. So here r is equals to s into I plus I 2s into j minus 2s into k minus k. R is equals to I minus j minus k plus s into I plus 2j minus 2k cap. So here we have r bar is equals to a2 bar plus s times of b2 bar. B2 bar. Here a2 is what? A2 is equals to I minus j minus k bar. B2 is equals to I plus 2j minus 2k. Here a1 b1 a2 b2 we got it. Now shortest distance between them. Okay, shortest distance between them. Shortest distance between them is a2 minus a1 dot product of b1 cross b2 by b1 cross b2 magnitude. Okay, now first we will find a2 minus a1. This is the formula. Shortest distance between them. a2 minus a1 is equals to a2 minus a1 1 minus 1 0 I bar minus 1 minus of minus plus 2 plus 1 j bar. Next minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 k bar. So from here a2 minus a1 is equals to this. Next b1 cross b2, b1 cross b2 bar is equals to modulus of I j k. Here b1 is minus 1 1 minus 2, b2 is 1 2 minus 2 plus minus plus. Delete the corresponding row and column. AD minus BC, 1 into 2 minus 2 minus BC, AD minus BC, minus 2 minus plus 2 2s are 4. In similar way, minus j bar into AD, delete the corresponding row and column, delete the corresponding row and column. Okay, AD minus BC, here AD minus BC, no, we just deleted corresponding row and column, remaining elements AD minus BC. Okay, in that way. So AD is 2 minus BC is plus 2 plus k bar into AD minus BC, delete the corresponding row and column, AD minus BC. Okay, minus 2 minus 1. So this is 2I plus 4j, sorry, this is minus, right? We have a minus 4j bar minus 3k bar. Okay, this is b1 cross b2, b1 cross b2 magnitude is root over 2 square plus 4 square plus 3 square, root over 2 2s are 4, 4 4 is 16 plus 3 3 is 9. So this is root over 29, root over 29 be the dot product magnitude. Now do the dot product of a2 minus a1, dot product of a2 minus a1 b1 cross b2. Okay, now a2 minus a1, what we have here, j bar minus 4k bar, 0i plus j minus 4k, dot product of b1 cross b2 is 2i minus 4j minus 3k. So dot product is multiply I coefficients, 0 into 2 will become 0. Next, j coefficient multiply minus 4. Minus 4 into minus plus 4 3 is 12. So this is 8. So dot product is a2 minus a1. Dot product of b1 cross b2 is 8. And magnitude is b1 cross b2 is equals to 29. Shortest distance between them is a2 minus a1 dot product of b1 cross b2 by b1 cross b2 magnitude is equal. So this product is 8. Dot product is 8 by root over 29. Hence this is the shortest distance between them. Shortest distance between lines is equals to 8 by root 29 units is the solution. Is the